If I was 20 again, I wouldn't chase money. I'd avoid the one mistake that quietly keeps people broke for life. And most people don't realize they're already making it. At 20, you feel hopeful. You're working. You're earning. You feel like you're doing the right things. But every month ends the same way. Money comes in, then it disappears. You tell yourself, when I earn more, things will change. But years pass. Income increases, and the pressure doesn't leave. Warren Buffett once said, "You don't have to be smarter than the rest. You just have to be more disciplined." Yet no one ever taught you discipline with money, only how to spend it. So you don't feel broke, but you don't feel free either. And that quiet feeling in your chest, that's the warning most people ignore. The truth is uncomfortable, but it's freeing once you hear it. Your problem was never your salary. It was never inflation. And it definitely wasn't bad luck. Plenty of people earn more than you and still feel trapped. Plenty of people get raises and stay stressed. That's when I realized something most people never question. Money isn't the enemy. The belief system around it is. We were taught to reward ourselves first. Spend now, worry later. Trust that somehow everything will balance out. But money doesn't work on hope. It works on patterns. As Robert Kiyosaki once said, it's not how much money you make. It's how much money you keep. The moment money touches your hands, it's already been given instructions, and it follows them perfectly. That's why money doesn't vanish. It moves exactly where your habits send it. Here's the line that changed everything for me. Money isn't disappearing, it's obeying how you treat it. Once you see this, you can't unsee it. Because from that moment on, every purchase, every decision, every habit starts telling a story about your future. And the question becomes, is that story leading you to freedom or quietly locking you in place? Here's a truth that most people never hear, and it changes everything. Wealth isn't built by earning more. It isn't about chasing bigger paychecks, flashy promotions, or luck. Real wealth begins the moment you take control of the first decision money meets. Think about it. Every dollar you earn is like a soldier waiting for orders. And most people hand over those orders without thinking. Spend now, worry later. If I could go back to 20, here's what I'd do differently. The 3 decisions I'd make that would shape my entire financial future. Decision number 1, pay your future self first. Not what's left at the end of the month. Not some vague promise to save later. Automatic, non-negotiable. Every dollar you don't touch becomes a soldier for your freedom. As Dave Ramsey says, you must gain control over your money or the lack of it will forever control you. Decision number 2, delay lifestyle, build leverage. Stop buying everything that feels good today. Instead, invest in your skills, your knowledge, your abilities. Money spent on self-growth multiplies. Money spent on gadgets disappears. Lifestyle consumes. Skills multiply. The earlier you invest in yourself, the faster wealth compounds. Decision number 3, protect time like it's your most precious asset. Bad habits don't just steal dollars, they steal years. Every late night wasted on mindless spending, every hour lost to distraction, quietly erodes your freedom. Time cannot be earned back. Time is the currency that builds everything else. Combine these 3 decisions, and the effect is incredible. Your money starts working for you, not the other way around. Your choices create a system that grows quietly, steadily, invisibly, until one day it's unstoppable. Here's the anchor line that changes the game. Do this early, and money stops controlling you. You become the commander of your own financial life. You don't chase wealth, wealth follows you. Here's the part most people never see coming. Decision number 3, protecting your time, is where most people stumble. Especially in their 20s when distractions are endless and the pressure to live now feels unavoidable. You might think, I'll catch up later, or I'm young, I have time. But time lost today compounds faster than money ever could. As Tony Robbins once said, time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Look around you, friends spending endlessly, social media tempting you, work draining hours without return. It all adds up. Every careless choice chips away at your freedom quietly. So let me ask you honestly, which of these 3 decisions are you ignoring right now? paying your future self first, delaying lifestyle to build skills, protecting your time like your life depends on it. Comment the number that hits you hardest, 1, 2, or 3. Be honest. This is the first step to changing your story. And here's the teaser for the next video. I'll reveal the one money habit I wish I had never learned. The habit that silently keeps millions trapped, even if they earn a fortune. Trust me, missing this habit is what separates people who stay broke from those who build lasting wealth. So don't skip it. Watch the next one, and I promise it will change the way you think about money forever.